Hi everyone, mabuhay. My name is Sherbigarin Malod, and I am going to continue our report about reason for evaluation. Third one is ensure relevance. The process of ensuring that the content, skills, and learning experiences provided are aligned with the current needs of society, workforce, and the student themselves. In deep ed, ensure relevance means aligning educational programs, curricula, and policies with the current needs, priorities, and challenges of the students and the society. Ensuring relevance for curriculum. First is the integration of digital literacy in basic education. With the rise of technology and digital communication, depth ed includes computer literacy, coding, and cybersecurity in the curriculum to equip students with skills. An example of integrating digital literacy in basic education would be teaching students on how to use educational apps, conduct research using credible online sources, create multimedia presentation, and understanding online safety and ethics as part of the regular lessons in subjects like science, English, and social studies. Inclusion of climate change. Given the growing environmental concerns, schools integrate lessons on climate change and renewable energy and environmental conversation into science and social studies subject. The inclusion of climate change in education involves teaching students about causes, impacts, and solutions to climate change, fostering awareness and action for environmental sustainability. Work immersion for senior high school students. Senior high school students undergo work immersion programs where they gain hands-on experience in industries related to their chosen strands, STEM, TVL, and ABM. In the context of the Matatag program of the Department of Education in the Philippines, work immersion for senior high school students could involve real-world experiences in the sectors aligned with their, aligned with their chosen tracks, such as working in a community-based project, collaborating with local industries, or applying skills in professional settings or settings to enhance their practical learning and preparation for the future careers. Next is teaching 21st century skills. The lessons emphasize collaboration, creativity, and analytical thinking to prepare students for careers that require adaptability and innovative problem solving, which are crucial in today's workforce. An example of 21st century skills in critical thinking where students analyze information, evaluate different perspectives, and make informed decisions in solving in real world problems. Number four is improving teaching and learning. Focuses on making sure that the way and how students learn is both effective and engaging. In the context of the Matatag program, an example of improving and learning is a senior high school student participating in hands-on training or work immersion, where they refine their technical skills and knowledge through real-world experiences, fostering a continuous growth and preparation for the future careers. Varied teaching strategies. Teacher use visual, auditory, and kinesthetic approach to cater to different types of learners. So in this stage, si teacher, may mga strategy nga para dali ra maka-cut-on si students. And next is flexible learning materials. Lesson plans include interactive videos, group activities, and hands-on experiment to enhance student engagement. So dinhi na part si teacher Um, magbuhat siya og kanang mga activities or ang dawi siya magtudlo iyang pamaagi is magpasalida siya og videos, group activities para sa students mas uh, through engagement through engagement ma-enhance pa ang ability sa estudyante. Next is personalized assessment. In this stage, personalized assessment is an evaluation approach that customizes the assessment process to suit the individual learning needs, strength, and progress of each student. So, here are the results of evaluation. So, the students show improved comprehension and participation because lessons are tailored to their needs. Next is the teacher feel more equipped to handle mixed ability classrooms, and higher student retention and academic performance are observed, proving the effectiveness of the revised teaching approach. And that's it for my report. Thank you.